Hey, in today's tutorial, we're looking at how to run two applications at a go on your Android phone. Let's say you want to watch a movie while texting somebody. You want to go through your browser while watching your photos at the same time. Stay right here, that's what we are tackling today. Hi everyone, welcome back to Android Explained. My name is Josh. This is going to be a simple procedure, but before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Let's jump in. Supposing you want to watch a movie and at the same time texting somebody on WhatsApp. Just head straight to your applications, open your video player, start watching that movie. Then press the option key, the one highlighted on the screen, to open recently opened the applications. You'll see a list of them. You click on the icon highlighted on the screen, the one for the video player. A pop-up menu will come consisting of a couple of options. You choose open split screen. You will then be prompted to open another application you want to run along the video player. In this case, we are choosing WhatsApp. You click on WhatsApp. A split screen will pop up showing WhatsApp on the other end of the phone and videos on the other end of the phone. As you can see, everything just runs smoothly. You can text your friend as the movie is playing. It's really flawless. This option comes with resizing the size of applications. Let's say you want to give WhatsApp a small size or share on the screen. You just drag that line between the applications. You hold it or long press it and drag down or up depending on which application you want to give what space. Let's say you want to make WhatsApp window smaller. You just drag and drop it down. Let's say you want to make the videos window smaller. You just long press and drag it up. The other thing, you can also choose which orientation you want to run these two applications in. Let's say you want to run it in portrait orientation or landscape. You just tilt your phone, it will automatically switch to landscape mode. When time comes and you want to deactivate the split screen view, you just hold the divider line in between the applications. In case you want to close the application at the bottom of the phone, you drag it towards the bottom. You want to close the application on the top, you drag it towards the top of the screen. It will automatically be closed and you'll be running one application at a time. Well, this is a bonus for phones which don't come with a split screen view option. You just head to your Play Store and type in split screen shortcut. I'll put a link in the description box. You click on install. After a couple of minutes, it will be installed in your device. You open it and follow the on-screen instructions. You'll see split screen disabled, then you click on that toggle button to activate it. Then open Android settings. You click on installed services. Then you choose split screen. And then click on the toggle button again to enable it. After that, you'll be good to go. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Keep safe.